What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick little fun one. So I've decided to change out the wheels on the Evo. Just kind of want to see how the black Motegis from the GSX look on it. So right now we got the stock Anki wheels on the Evo, and I'm going to be pulling these off the GSX. The black Motegis, and throwing those on there just to see how it looks. We are still currently working on the battery tray. It is right there. It's almost done, just got to work on getting the tie down secured, so that may go up before this video, may not. I'm not sure what order I'm going to put them up, but for today I'm going to switch out these wheels to see how it looks. So what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty badass. I do say so myself. They are super dirty. We've been doing a lot of powder coating here lately, so there's a lot of powder coating dust on them. But yeah, I think that might be the thing right now. They might just stay on there. Clean them up, give them a good shine. The tires that are on these wheels are not great. The Federals that are on the Aggies are definitely much better, especially suited for track use. Yeah. But yeah, I think that's the vibe right now. So yeah, that's the first side. Get the other side on, and if we get this battery tray going good enough, I'll pull it out. We'll get some shots of it out in the sun. So hang with us. Alright guys, a little bit of change of plans. I'll show you why. Took the rear wheels off of GSX to put onto the Evo. And like I said, the tires on there were pretty bad. Did not realize that they were this bad. So yeah, they're done. You can see it's cracking right there. It's all bad on these tires, and I prefer not to even risk driving on tires like that at all. Which, funny thing is, those are the tires I had on the GSX last season, which means I was racing on those, so that's fun. But anyway, gonna add about an hour into this wheel swap by changing the tires over. So yeah, I'm gonna get the Federals put onto the Motegi wheels and get them all onto the Evo, and we'll come back when that's all finished. Alright y'all, so tires are switched over now. The old tires were all trash, so those will all be going to the dump. I got the new Federals, and I'm not sure if you guys saw or not, but these do have hub-centric rings on them. Make sure we got all those. It's all tightened up. I just got to torque them down. No need to do that on camera. I'm sure you guys have seen people torque wheels a million times. So that's what she looks like. And both sides are done. Kyle's back there welding some aluminum, TIG welding aluminum. So yeah, that going on today as well. That is for the battery tray. So yeah, that's where that is. Once we get this battery tray done, we'll have it backed out. And I'm going to not end this video here, but stop this part of it. Go record some of the battery tray footage, and then we'll get back to this. I'm wrapping this video up here. The final look at the wheels on the Evo. Bam. Look at her. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Closed up for the night. I'm finally getting to take my car home. She hasn't been home probably like in 2 weeks, so I'm excited about that. So that's it for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.